Welcome to Kodachi Linux. I am Joshua Di Paz and I am here to quick tour you to Kodachi. So first, this is Kodachi dashboard. Let's open Kodachi dashboard. Alright, as you can see, the VPN is connected, Tor is running, DNS script is active, everything looks good. On the left side, it even shows my public IP location and anonymity level. So this is the pre-installed apps. This is the IP route if you want to. This is the navigation bar, installer. Yeah, this is the switch if you want to hide the IP route. So this is the web browser, security apps, other apps, system apps, and extra tools if you want to change a bit. So let's go back to Kodachi dashboard. Let's see if the VPN is connected. Yeah, the Tor is running too. This is the choices. This is the TNS IP info, and it has a lot of choices. Let's click panic room.